I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make BBQ sauce with liver spread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for the base. Don't forget 1/4 cup of liver spread, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Also, have a small minced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic ready to go. Next, we'll start building our flavor. In a saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your finely minced onion and garlic, sautéing them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are fragrant and translucent. Then, pour in the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the sugar dissolves completely. Now, add the Worcestershire sauce and smoked paprika, mixing well. Now for the unique twist. Carefully add the 1/4 cup of liver spread to your simmering BBQ sauce. Whisk it in thoroughly until it's completely smooth and no lumps remain. This step is crucial for an even texture and flavor distribution. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer gently for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency. Finally, let's finish our delicious sauce. Taste your BBQ sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more salt, pepper, or a touch of sweetness. If you prefer a super smooth sauce, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Once satisfied, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool completely. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will keep well for about 5 to 7 days, ready for your next barbecue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.